Good evening, my name is Shannon Heffron and I'm with the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh, and I'm here to give you a winter weather briefing. Here is a list of all the impacts we could see with this winter system. High wind gusts, 40 to 45 mile per hour winds is likely. You could see maybe even high as 50 mile per hour winds across the region. Snowfall, even though we're not expecting a snowfall total that's extreme, you could see quick bursts of 1 to 2 inches in a short amount of time that could be hazardous for travel. Wind chill values could be as low as -25 on the ridges, and in the lower elevations, including Pittsburgh, -10 to -20 degrees wind chills. It's going to be very cold. And on Friday morning, we could see the potential of a flash freeze. So as the Arctic air mass moves in, roads that are wet could instantly or gradually freeze in a short amount of time. So you want to make sure you're keeping weather aware when you're about to travel before you go around for your holiday season. Here's a graphic that shows the time period for a couple cities here of when we're going to see that flash freeze potential and intense snowfall from the Arctic air mass. So it's showing right now, currently, 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. is when that potential for flash freeze and hazardous snow. So if you're going out Friday morning, please keep weather aware. Here's a graphic for the snowfall totals that go all the way into Christmas Eve morning at 7 a.m. So not a lot of snow, but still it could be very impactful for travel. The higher totals will be up near I-80. Here's a map that shows those wind chills, those minimum wind chill values. Yes, you could see -27 degrees in the ridges of Tucker County. So because of that, we have issued a wind chill watch. So this watch could will likely be upgraded to either an advisory or warning, a wind chill warning, depending on the criteria. So -25 is our wind chill warning criteria. The high wind gusts are also going to be very significant for our area. 40 to 45 mile per hour wind gusts are not out of the question, and so are 50. So make sure to tie down those loose items. Also, truckers can be impacted with high-profile vehicles. So if you're a trucker or if you are a family member that knows a trucker, you might be impacted by this system. So you could also see power line outages and trees down with strong winds. For the cold temperatures, extreme cold temperatures, if your area is sensitive, you maybe have faucets, make sure your pipes are wrapped, and anything that you have outside that's sensitive to the cold wants to be brought in. Make sure your pets are inside and not out for long periods of time. Don't use stove or oven or grill to keep your home heated. And make sure to check on your neighbors to see what they need, if they need to be someplace warm. So here are the key takeaways for this large-scale impactful system. Multiple hazards, wind chill values are going to be very dangerous, flash freeze potential on Friday morning, quick coating of snow on Friday morning, and snow will linger into Friday into Saturday too, and prolonged period of cold weather. We are going to see a warm up as we get closer to New Year's, but we want you to make sure you keep weather aware and stay safe this holiday season.